What's up, guys? In this video, I'm just going to give you some kind of like best practices for your outreach. Because once you get things set up with $99 social, it's not like that part is kind of handled. You just have to kind of send them the client information and then they take care of it there. The main bottleneck is going to be getting clients. So let's just take a look at your lead sources. So yet another mail merge, you're going to get 500 emails a day. If you're using Scope Leads, that's another 500 to 4,000 emails per day. Pygambot, let's say you don't have a list already and you're starting out. Let's say that's 10,000 contact pages per day. Okay, so this is already between 10 and 15,000 companies that you can contact per day. Okay, like, yes, this will cost you $100 a month. Yes, this will cost you $200 a month, but total cost, $300 a month. So that means essentially you need to sign up 3 clients in that first month, assuming profit per client to make your money back. That's roughly 1 client per week. Okay, not really 1 client per week, obviously, but like, you know, a little bit less. A little bit, well, 1 client per 10 days, let's say. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so like, set this stuff up. Pygambot, very good tool. Like, you know, I couldn't live without it. Scope Leads is new for me, but it's very effective in that you can personalize the outreach and people are more likely to engage with you when it's personalized. And yet another mail merge, that's like a bonus, you know, 500. So let's actually total this up per month. Okay, so what is this? We'll assume 10,000 per day. Let's say we'll go on the low side, or let's say 11,000 per day. Okay, 11,000 times 30 equals 343,000. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah, that's right, I think. Yeah. Or 333,000. Yeah. I'm retarded. Okay, 333,000 emails per month. Okay. Are you telling me that if you contact over 330,000 people per month, nobody's going to buy from you? Okay, you could have literally you could be spamming Viagra links on the internet and somebody's going to buy from you. Okay, so all this just to make 300 bucks. All right, it's possible. You guys have all the information there. Like, you know what to do. Like, I've given you the template. Okay, you have the website. Like, you literally have the actual website. It's professionally done. You know who to send the work to. You guys have information on how to use the lead generation tools. You guys have even like cold emails that you can send out. Like, you literally have every single thing that you need. The question is, like, are you actually going to do it? Okay. This is for social media management. Obviously, you can sell other stuff that will get you a higher profit margin. But if you're just starting out with like making money online or freelancing, this is a great place to start. Okay, so that is basically it. Going to wrap up this course now. If you guys have any questions on any of this stuff, reach out to me, let me know, leave me a comment what you think about the course, and that is basically it. Peace.